In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple step-by-step instructions so you can use original Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons on the new Nintendo Switch 2. Now let's look at connecting the Switch Joy-Cons to the Switch 2. First of all, go to the main home screen and select the settings icon. From here, scroll up and select Controllers and Accessories. Press Change Controller Grip Order, and then press the round button on the side of the Joy-Cons. They should both start to flash and they'll go solid when they're connected. Now press the L and R buttons on the Joy-Cons and press A. They're now connected and ready, and as you can see, I'm now controlling the Switch 2 with the Switch Joy-Cons. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.